Theater and Film Institute in New York. After graduating, she formed a multidisciplinary production company, Tequila Mockingbird Productions, which received early success with their original plays, premiering at various off-Broadway theaters and at the Manhattan Theater Repertory Festival. Isabel then began to focus on independent cinema, working with international filmmakers as both actress and director. Isabel was also seen in Dr. Cabby, a Canada and Indian production in which she starred alongside the Big Bang Theory Kunal Nair. Her first Indian film, Time to Dance, a Remo D'Souza and T-Series production directed by Stanley DeCosta, is slated to release by early 2019. Isabel Caf. Yeah. Yeah. So.
Hello, everybody. Thanks for coming out today. It's good to see you all. I'm very excited to be here with the new brand I have representing, Bandhan Jewelry. I'm very excited about the start of our Bandhan. And I look forward to an amazing collaboration with an amazing brand.
Thank you so much. We'll start again with the question and answer session with the team, please.
Hi, Isabel, Priyanka here. So, since it is Bandhan Jeweler, so which is your favorite jewel?
I'm sorry?
Which is your favorite jewel?
My favorite jewelry, type of jewelry? As in pieces?
Yeah.
Sorry.
As in pieces.
As in pieces. For me personally, my favorite jewelry pieces are earrings and rings. Those are what I wear the most. It's what I buy the most. Yeah, those two pieces would be my favorite.
Yeah, hi. Vandana here from Film India. Hi, welcome to India. I wanted to know, it's your first association in India, I think, so as a brand ambassador.
This is my first jewelry brand I've been associated with, and I'm very, very excited about it.
So, can you tell me about your experience, how you're feeling, and what are the expectations, and how you will go about with the association?
My expectations are just to have a great time with this brand. I love the concept that they've come up with. A wide range of jewelry for every walk of life, from office to wedding. You can get it at Bandhan Jewelers, which is a concept I love. As to how the brand is moving forward, should I pass that over to you?
Okay. Well, actually, I mean, it's typically people have been asking me why now, and is jewelry industry really growing, and things like that. And the surprising element, I mean, if I ask you which is the fastest growing economy in the world, typically we'll answer maybe India or China, okay? But what's really interesting is what I call it again as womenomics, economics of what the women are spending across the globe. And that is at 18 trillion, as high as the US economy, 18 trillion. And in India, it is growing at 20%. Okay, and finally, they are our target audience because women are the ones who are going to buy jewelry. So womenomics is what is driving this industry. And we see a huge opportunity there because this is absolutely the right time to come up with a concept like Bandhan and actually get everybody on a single platform and give them that benefit, which to compete with all the top retail chains and also offer to the consumers the different lifestyle jewelry which they are looking for. So that's where we find this is the best time, and that's why we are looking at expanding, doing about 100 stores, as Santosh was mentioning earlier. So in 5 years' time, we are looking at actually coming up with 100 stores. So we are at the moment focusing on North and West, though of course we'll go pan-India in 5 years' time. But for the next 2 years, we are focusing on North and West, and we have already actually done a tie-up in. So one store has already come up in Mumbai, which is in Borivali, which is called Bandhan Hansini Jewels. We are going to have our next store, flagship store in Delhi, which is opening in Jan. Okay, then we are going to have one in Saharanpur. We're going to have one in Srinagar and one in Lucknow. So before 31st of March, all these places we hope to open all these stores. And plus, we have already done more tie-ups, more sign-ups that are already happening. And in UP, we have already signed up with Hansini Jewels to come up with 20 stores of Bandhan Hansini stores. So that's going to be for UP. So similarly, we're going to have different tie-ups for the further expansion and have different state partners, as we call them, and have stores in every state. But for the moment, it will be North and West. Yeah. Any other questions?
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm with Savvy World. Isabel, looking very pretty and very elegant with that piece that you've got. My question to sir is how we're going to look at the marketing promotion activities with Isabella. Are we looking at more TVCs and billboards and others? So we're going to see Isabella with...
Oh yeah, of course, sure. हम कोहिनूर छुपा के थोड़ी रखेंगे. कोहिनूर is कोहिनूर.
So you share some of your marketing
Yes,
promotion plans?
absolutely. Well, we're soon going to have our shoot done. But as I said, because we have a certain a theme to, and the whole positioning is going to be that we're going to have jewelry for every look. So we will be doing a shoot soon in sometime in Jan. And then we are obviously going to be in print and television. And today is a digital world, so we are going to be present in digital world as well. What we have it in mind is to do a 360-degree marketing. So it's not just print or not just television. We're going to be on hoardings. We're going to actually look for digital media. We are looking at cinemas. We are looking at various different opportunities wherever we think because events is also going to be a big thing. So so that's what we are planning to do. So all these will be part of our marketing campaign, including perhaps radio as well. So we are. So it's not just about her shoot in terms of doing that, but we would love to do some radio campaign as well with her because we believe radio is another big medium which is working very well for our kind of target audience that we're looking for. So we are going to do a 360-degree marketing.
हाय सर
Yeah.
क्या वजह रही कि आपने इस ब्रांड के लिए इजाबेल को ही खास चुना? व्हाट्स द रीजन बिकॉज शी इज अ न्यू फेस वी ऑल नो बट व्हाट्स द रीजन बिहाइंड इट कि इजाबेल इज अ ब्रांड एम्बेसडर ऑफ
See, today's consumer is primarily changing to a lifestyle. There is a whole contemporary lifestyle change which is happening. But also the fact of the matter is that they are still very Indian at heart, and she is epitome of that in any case. And also, as I said, that if we are talking about, different jewelry for different looks, and we believe that she's the one who can carry it really very well with different looks. I mean, whether, as I said, it's a office wear or a daily wear or a party wear or an evening gown wear, or whether it's a traditional wear, whether it's for dandiyas, for example, it's a festive look that you want to have. So she's the one who can represent the brand in the most proficient way. So हमने इसीलिए चुना कि भाई or the fact of the matter is also she is one of the brand ambassadors for Lakme, and Lakme is again about fashion, and and jewelry, as I said, is very close to fashion industry, and that's the way we are going. So and fashion is also about having different looks, and our jewelry is also about having different looks, different jewelry for different looks. So that's where we saw the synergy as well. So that's also one of the key reasons that. And besides, she's a dear friend.
इजाबेल, मैं आपसे भी जानना चाहूँगी क्योंकि आपकी सिस्टर कटरीना कैफ भी ज्वेलरी की एम्बेसडर हैं. सो वो आपको जब आप कहीं बाहर जाती हैं किस तरीके की मदद आपकी करती हैं क्लोथ्स के साथ ज्वेलरी मैच करने में?
um, well, for me, I guess it depends. I suppose, like with most people, what you're doing. Are you going to work? Are you going to an event, a party? In my personal life, I'm very much about statement pieces, something a little funky, something a little cool. So they'll tend to match my, close to my jewelry more like that. Obviously, for events, you have to dress appropriately for work and stuff. So there, maybe you'll choose the jewelry that best goes with your outfit. As far as the way Katrina does it, she is going to be promoting Zero soon, and I think that'd be a very good time to ask her. She might be able to give you a better answer.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Actually, just to add further to your question, what you had asked, is also about the fact that this Bandhan Jewels is also going to be about multi-brand outlets. We have already signed up with 4 different brands, which is Australian Diamonds, which is with Rio Tinto. We are with Kisna. We have our own brand, which is Being Human Jewelry with Salman Khan. So we have that as well. And the 4th one is Sanvi Jewels, is one more. We are in discussion with Forever Mark with De Beers. And in fact, next week is my signing up of the agreement with them. So hopefully that will be signed up next week. We are also in discussion with Divine Solitaires, that is the next brand. So for every, different segments, we have the offering in terms of the brands, as well as our own brands that we launch. So under Bandhan Jewels, for example, we're going to have our own solitaire brand, because that's what the consumers are looking for. So we will have Bandhan solitaires, so that's going to be another offering. And over a period of time, we will keep introducing new brands and the top brands across the country as well as across the world, because there are quite a few international brands who are now looking at India as a market, big market. And they would be looking at, coming into India with their own brands. So they would need a partner. And that's where I think we are the best people suited for that, because we would already be there with our stores with the multi-brand offerings. So that's the big advantage from a consumer perspective, adding getting different brands under one roof. It is something which I don't want to disclose at this stage, what kind of designs, but I'm telling you that will be a fantastic piece of jewelry because, yes, and that is something, again, unique, as I said, yes. So I don't want to disclose it now, but we are working on it. And maybe in Jan, when we are actually launching the whole collection, then we will invite you and perhaps wear one, try it on. We have actually already launched Being Human Jewelry. It's very sleek, minimalistic, and lightweighted in designs. It's something which is very, very trendy. We have 21 different collections, so both in gold and in diamonds. And in fact, soon we will be also coming up in silver. And obviously with his bracelet, famous bracelet, uske bagair to chal nahi sakta. So, so it's literally that. So in silver, we would be coming up with this bracelet as well. So it's jewelry for women, primarily, because many a time people do ask me, "Ye to Salman Khan ka hai, so is it only men's jewelry?" So it's not men's jewelry. And sorry, yeah.
Being Human has everything.
Yes, absolutely. So we have a complete range, actually. So
and we are the stores related.
For Being Human?
Yeah.
Yes, we have just launched the first store in Chandigarh, which is the exclusive business outlet, which is a franchisee of Being Human Jewelry. Plus, we have about 40 shop-in-shops, so we already have counters in 40 different retail outlets. We are soon going to open in Lucknow. We are soon going to be in Srinagar. We are going to be in Jammu. We are soon going to be in Bombay. We have already done all the tie-ups, so, And yes, and of course, wherever Bandhan, Being Human will be one of the brands there in any case. So, yeah. Sure. Pratik, would you like to add something? Yeah, hi.
Why did you associate it with Bandhan? That's the question.
Okay, so we
Now in market, already De Beers also launched Lightbox jewelry. So did you have a plan for Lightbox jewelry or lab-grown diamond jewelry collection in your concept?
See, coming to the platinum part, for sure. Sorry? Yeah, yeah. Platinum is something that we are sure.
Yeah.
Silver is definitely
Silver
sure.
also, yes.
We are going to introduce that. As far as lab-grown diamonds are concerned, it may not be under Bandhan, but not at least at this point in time,
Okay.
because consumers are still not aware of it, at least in India. You know, they still don't understand that, and we don't want to create any confusion in their minds at this point in time.
Okay.
But nevertheless, yes, Lightbox, once they have launched it in the US, and the kind of traction that they are getting, as and when we think the market is ready, we would be more than happy to do it.
Okay,
But maybe as a separate brand altogether.
Yeah, of
See,
course.
because it is more towards the
De Beers
fashion jewelry.
already
So we,
launched, our market De Beers
no,
is a
that doesn't
diamond,
matter.
yeah.
See, that's their strategy, which is I mean,
know.
they are entitled to their own strategy. But what happens is that typically it goes more towards fashion jewelry, whereas we are into fine jewelry.
Okay.
So there is no point. First of all, there is no comparison. You can't compare apple and oranges.
But you also
And-
had silver jewelry. So
Yeah, but that is still a precious metal.
Precious
So
metal.
we are on the precious side, and we will remain on the precious side as long as Bandhan is concerned. But nevertheless, whenever we feel that there is see, I personally, I am a brand person. So I believe in creating brands. I believe in marketing them really very well. And I believe as and when we are ready, as a market, we are ready for lab-grown diamonds, so be it. I mean, there is a market for that as well.
Yeah,
So there is
As per the
definitely.
demand.
But right now
In
it's
future,
very minuscule. So
Okay.
it's not something that we are looking at this point in time.
Okay. And your plan already done for a pan-India chain store and distributors and for the consumers.
Yeah.
And do you have any plan for international market, like your brand ambassador from abroad? So do
Yeah.
you have any plan chain store in abroad? Or
At the moment, for the next 3 to 5 years, we are going to focus on India because India is a huge market, you know.
huge market.
But nevertheless, as I initially mentioned, that because the concept is so unique, the Chinese have approached us. I mean,
That's the thing,
I was completely taken aback. I mean, you know, I'd never anticipated this kind of a reaction coming from a so well developed in terms of the jewelry brands, you know, which is because they have tremendous number of brands and the number of chains that they have. There, the smaller guys are feeling threatened, you know, and that's what they love this concept about. That, you know, why, if we can do it in India, why can't we do it in China? It may not be called Bandhan, but maybe our brand ambassador will go to China and, you know, launch it there as well. Yes, why not? So,
thank you very much.
Right. I'll now call on for the group bites. I'll request people to come forward and we can have the group bites, please.
Do you watch Bollywood films and which is your favorite Salman film?
Of course, I watch Bollywood films. How can you not? They're amazing. And my favorite Salman film. Sorry, were in process. It's always really hard for me to choose a favorite film because I feel films are so based on your mood, how you feel. Do you want to laugh? Do you want to cry? Do you just want to kick back and feel good? So it's always... Sorry, that got a little bit louder. So it's always hard for me when people ask my favorite film. Sorry.
Yeah, I'll now call for people to come forward and do the group bites, please. We need to remove the chairs. Yeah. Sure. You can please keep standing. Yeah, the group bites, please. Please come forward.
You would actually, once we go to the store, you'll see the whole range.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Sure.
Okay, first of all, Isabel, big congratulations of being a brand face. First of all, we'd like to know how you get associated with Bandhan Jewelers.
Through very fortunate circumstances. You were sitting next to Sunday?
Yeah.
Yeah. He was sitting next to a friend, and they just happened to be talking, and he mentioned his new Bandhan Jewelry enterprise. He was looking for a face. She mentioned me, and now we're here.
Okay, you already are being a big celeb, especially from your sporting look and all.
Oh, thank you.
We would like to know your opinion. What does the celebrity play a role whenever they endorse any product or being a brand face?
I think you want to be associated with some great brands, brands that you would shop at, you would participate in. Yeah, I think that's it. You just want to make sure you're tied up with brands that you personally like, that stand for a thing, have great concepts behind them, which Bandhan Jewelry has. It's a genius concept.
Okay, in personal, what kind of jewelry you like? Heavier one or lighter one?
If I'm just running around, like going for lunch with my friends and being a bit chill in life, a little bit lighter. But I do like the heavy statement pieces, I'm not gonna lie.
Okay, nowadays the wedding season is going on in our Bollywood, and we have heard that you are also going for Deepika and Ranveer at 1st of December. Would you like to wear Bandhan jewelry at the red carpet for the reception?
I would love to wear at the red carpet and reception. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be in town, so I'm not gonna be able to go and wish them the best and all the success and happiness to the new couple. But if I was, I would most definitely be wearing Bandhan jewelry.
Okay, if you like to suggest this jewelry to any Bollywood celeb, who would you like to suggest?
Bollywood celebrity? I would say Sonam, just because I find her so stylish. I love the way she puts herself together. She always has the perfect amount of accessories, so she's my pick.
Okay, very soon you're going to debut with the legs dance with the Suraj Pancholi. So how was the experience with Suraj Pancholi?
It was great. He's a really good dancer. He's a hard worker, and we had a great time with our director, Stanley DaCosta. So the whole experience was really great. Everyone was really passionate about the film, and I hope you guys like it.
Okay, have you got any advice from Katrina for any tips? Have you got for any role, something?
That's interesting.
Keep your head down and work hard.
Perfect.
Okay, lastly,
It's been something in Hindi, dialogue in Hindi.
okay, Prasad sir, how the Isaman came on the board for the brand piece?
As I said earlier, actually, it's we were looking for somebody who actually fits the brand positioning that we're going to have, and which is one is the contemporary style, but yet traditional at heart, and more so about the different kinds of jewelry that we're going to have, because jewelry is one such product which is very difficult to carry it off if you are not within those parameters of that definition of a particular look. So unless you understand, if you don't understand fashion, you won't understand jewelry. So we needed a face who understands fashion very well, who understands different looks very well, and then who can carry it off very well. So for every different kind of look, you need a different kind of jewelry, and that's what we thought that Isabel is perfect for that.
Okay, last question, Isabel ma'am. The audience are very excited for this Zero movie. How are you excited? Because we have seen a different role of Katrina ma'am in the Zero.
I was very excited by the trailer, and yeah, I'm excited. I feel like everyone else to see her in this new avatar, this new role, and I can't wait.
Thank you. Pleasure talking to you.
Thank you very much.
We can have Prasad sir and the first we can have Prasad sir and Isabel and then Sabir sir and
Sorry.
एक तो लोग